Good morning, dear students. In this module, we are going to discuss about how different organisms by their behavior change show their adaptation for their surrounding environment. Like desert lizards keep their body temperature constant by behavioral adaptation. They bask in the sun, absorb the heat when their body temperature decreases below the comfort zone. Burrowing habit also help to protect desert animals from high temperature. Now we are going to discuss about population attributes. Population is a group of individuals living in a particular geographical area. It has certain attributes. These are birth rate, death rate, sex ratio, population density. These four they are the attributes which are responsible to maintain the attribute for a population. A population at any given time is composed of individuals of different age group as pre-reproductive means those which are not in reproductive phase. Second, reproductive means adults which are responsible to carry the process of reproduction, and post-reproductive which have lost the ability for reproduction. So age pyramid, if the age distribution is plotted for the population, the resulting structure is called as a age pyramid. For human population, the age pyramid show the age distribution of males and females in a combined diagram. The shape of pyramid reflects the growth status of the population, that is an expanding growing population, a stable population, a declining population. Population growth. How the growth of a population will take place. The size of population keeps changes with the time depending on the factors like food available, weather, predator pressure and competition. The density of a population in a given habitat during a given period changes due to four basics. Natality means how many number of new organisms they take birth. Mortality, out of this how many number they died. Immigration, from outside how many they join the population. And immigration, how many of the people from this population they move towards other destination. The natality and immigration contribute to increase in size and density of population, while mortality and immigration contribute to decrease in population. This one, nt is equal to n naught b plus I minus d plus e, that is the formula to find out the population density of a population with respect to a given time. Here we are going to discuss about the population growth models. So there are two models of population growth. One is called exponential growth, in which we get J-shaped graph because in this particular habitat there is no check whatsoever the conditions they are required to increase the size of the population. On this, all the resources they remains unlimited. There is no boundary for space, no limitation of food, no danger of predators. That's why this type of growth is called exponential, and increase in population, that is geometric function, in which we have to obtain J-shaped growth, and it is denoted dn upon dt is equal to Rn, where R is represented as the extrinsic factor for the organism. Thank you. Have a